Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use this keyword. So when we define functions inside the class and when we want to access a property from inside a method, we use this keyword. So what does this keyword refer to? Let's write a setter function and we will use this keyword. So I come here, I say public and then void. By using public I can reach outside the class, and then I say set name, and then I say string dot name. So it takes parameter. So I will send name as an argument when I call this function. So I come here. What I need to do, I need to assign this parameter to class property. So for doing this, for reaching object, I use this keyword. I use this and then I'm reaching the object. So remember, in our previous lesson, how can I reach the properties or the method? After the object name, I put dot notation and then I can reach properties and methods. It's same logic. I use this keyword. Right now I reach the object. So after I use dot notation, as you see, I can reach all properties and all methods, age, name and display. I can reach h2 here because I'm inside the class. Here I use private keyword, but I can reach these properties inside the class when I use private. When I use public, I can reach these properties when I take instance of this class. I mean, when I am creating an object, I can reach these properties by using public at the beginning. So I say after dot notation, for example, I say name. So this dot name equals to the name that I sent outside the class. So let's call this set name function. So I come here, I delete all by the way. I come here, I say John dot, and then let's call set name function and let's send John as an argument. Alright, and then let's write a getter function. So I come here, I copy this, I paste here. I will return this name. So I change void, I say string, I will return string value, and then my function name, get name. I will not take any parameters, that's why I delete these. Okay, I will return a string value. What I will return? I will return name. So return, I use this keyword for reaching object, and after that I return back name. So let's call this function. I come here and then I say John.getName. So let's run my program. Sorry, I forgot to put my semicolon, and then let's run this program. So I run, nothing appears, but because I don't use system.out println something like that. So let's use it. I come here, system.out.println. So inside the println, I use John.getName. Alright, and I delete this semicolon. So let's run my program again. You see John appears on the screen. Okay, it's easy, right? I hope you understand all logic.